Hi friends, here is a Mother's Day craft that you can do with an adult. You're going to cut out the pot here, and this is going to be the stem of the flower pot, so that's going to attach here. And then instead of using this hand, you're going to have somebody help you trace your hand. So you can choose whatever color paper you'd like, and then you're going to mount it onto another piece of paper. So I'm going to use this pink one to trace my hand. You're going to spread it out here. Make sure your fingers are all spread apart. You're going to trace it like this. And you're going to use your scissors, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below. Point your thumb to the ceiling, and you're going to open, close. Let's cut that out. Here we go. And on my other paper, this is where you're going to glue your pot. You can decorate that however you want. And then you have your stem and your hand, which you can also decorate any way you want. You can put on stickers so it looks like a flower. You can put on gems, you can put on jewels, you can put on whatever you like. Have lots of fun with this, friends, and happy Mother's Day. Bye.